What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be obtaining the true triple katana sword in Blox Fruits. But I am pretty broke right now, so I better grind some money.
2 hours later.
Okay, so it's been 2 hours and I've made a pretty decent amount by hunting sea beasts. Also, my mom does not know that I'm playing, so I have to play on phone. Okay, roll the next time card, please.
12 o'clock midnight.
We are getting closer. I'm at 1,358,000.
Tomorrow.
Oh, you ain't going nowhere, you sea beast. Oh, you want to run, huh? Well, I got something ready for you, boy. Final sea beast before we get 2 million. Okay, kill. Let's go. Oh, you want to run, eh? Oh, these piranhas. This is gonna be easy. This is gonna be easy. Please, actually, please.
Hello.
Terror shark? Are you actually kidding? No way. There's a terror shark. Nah, bro. Oh my god, bro. There's a terror. And rough sea. Are you actually kidding? Oh. Whoa. My health. Oh god, bro. I'm actually about to die. I'm actually about to fall. Okay, after that absolutely insane troll from the Blox Fruits devs, I'm gonna race reroll and I hope I get shark. What will I get, Mr. Tot? What shall I get? And we got angel. I am never grinding Stevens again, and now I'm gonna take a quest. Oh my god, I missed. What? And let's go. Yes! We got 2 million. Yes, finally, bro. Finally, we have 2 million. Let's go.
This town ain't big enough for the two of us.
This town is big enough for the two of us.
That is destiny fulfilled.
Let's go gambling!
Bro, I just found a fist of darkness in this chest. You know what I'm about to do? Let's go. Let's spawn dark beer. Yeah. I'm not gonna waste your guys' time and we just kill this dude. Let's see. Talk. What's up, warrior? Do you wish to see where he was last seen? Okay, let me check the wiki. Okay, over here it apparently says that there's around 15 minutes until the dealer spawns. Let's go. Yeah, bro, skip all that yapping. Oh, he's here. Let's go. Please tell me he's at graveyard. He's here. Yes, finally. Yeah, I did find you. Oh, he's selling Shiju. Okay, better buy it. Let's see where this thing is. Where is it? Shizu. Oh god. Wait, I think this pose is kind of like the Rengoku one, but I won't actually question it.
The following Thursday.
So guys, I recently got the Skull Guitar. Also, while grinding for Skull Guitar, I got myself 2 million. Yeah, I grinded a lot of mastery. I grinded 300 and I got 2 million. Okay, he should be getting over here in around 15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
Okay, he's here. Let's go. Gas. I'm step on the gas today. This dude is in the first location. Let's go. And I want to bash my table right now because I waited 4 hours. Blox Fruits dev, I'm coming under your bed tonight. Okay, let's check the status now. What's up? Yeah, I do. Okay, I've not seen this line before. Let me see the wiki. Ooh, okay, let's see this. Oh, 1 hour 15 minutes. Nice. Let's go. We got a core raid. Bro, all these people are low level. They ain't doing no damage. This is gonna be so easy. Boom and muda.
And you shut the up.
Piercing. Clothesline and boom. God, Please tell me that is your bro. guys, I got Orochi, but I'm meaning my recording was not working. My recording was not working, and I also had competition. But I got Orochi. That's the main part, right? Right? Oh god.
£1 page, very very good. £1 page, very very cheap. £1 page, 6, 4, 5 pound, £1 each. 6, 4, 5 pound, £1 each. Very very good and very very cheap.
The next day.
I have $1 million, and yeah, I changed my race. Well, you know, PvP reasons, right? Yeah. I solely regret my decisions. I will never do it again. I freaking swear. This is the Rumbling Waters. Let's go. These guys are gonna die. First one down. Let's go. Second one down too. Easy pickings. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, $2 million again. Also, I found a new mastery trick which I may or may not use later. May. Yeah, my recording ain't working again. Yeah, so like I have to record on my phone. I can't really screen record. So basically, this dude is gonna reach in 15 minutes. I'll just start recording on my phone once he does. Also, I better get a good sword. Like I better get Saishi because I've been waiting for 4 hours. It's been because I've been solo hopping so much, and yeah, it just didn't happen, so I gave up. Better give me a good sword. Give me Saishi. Let's see where this dude is. And he's here. Let's go. We're gonna check the usual locations. And I think I have some combat. No, that guy's literally 800. I don't think. So let's just go quick. Give me. Hope he's here. And no, let's go check the Colosseum. I don't think I see him at the Colosseum either. He's not at the Colosseum. Let me check the underwater way. Here, please be here. Is he here? He's not here. I'm gonna go check Green Zone now. I don't think he's in the first location. I'm gonna check the second one. I know the second one either. So he must either have despawned or be a graveyard. So I'm gonna check graveyard. If I remember correctly, he was at one of these big rocks. Where is he going? Don't tell me he despawned, otherwise I'll actually smash my desk. Let me just check if he despawned. I will actually smash my desk if he despawned. Let's see. Is he here? He's here. I'll check the location again. I suspect he's at Colosseum or Green Zone because those are the most complicated places to find him. Yeah, he's not here either. He's not here. He must be at Green Zone. Ooh, there's some guy chasing me. Oh god. I guess he won the smoke, didn't he? Easy. Bro, he has to. I think this guy might be at Green Zone. I have no idea where he is. But he has to be at Green Zone, bro. Please, I need Saishi, please. Yeah, he must be on one of these vines. Like, in the location guide, it showed me he might be on... Why? Bro, let me find the legendary sword healer. Notice this dude is a higher bounty than me and he's still getting cooked. Nah, bro, that's just crazy. Oh, third time this guy died. Actually, this is crazy. Imagine being higher bounty level and just dying. Is that... Oh, that's it. I do not think that... Oh, God, please. Where is the guy? He's not here. He's not at Green Zone. Where else could he be? Bro, he's not at Green Zone. He's not at Graveyard. He's not in the underwater way. So I think I mischecked the Kingdom of Rose area. This one. Don't tell me this one. Don't tell me this one. And right now it says from the manager over here, it's saying that it's gonna take 4 hours. So yeah, I'll just wait. I give up. Okay, let's see the manager. That is the manager. Let's see the manager. And 1 hour 15 minutes. Yo, we got a fellow YouTuber here. He's typing about some kind of giveaway. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna tell his viewers to sub to him. Yeah, sub to him. This is coming from a professional with 38 subscribers so far. Guys, my friend just obtained the true triple katana. And if it wasn't for me, he wouldn't have gotten it. While I wait, I'm gonna challenge him to a duel. Let's do this. Yeah, little kid, you're cooked. Wait. Oh crap. I don't have sword stats. Nah, this is unfair. I mean, nothing a little bit of cheating and so. Okay, let's go and muda. Now, where you think you going? Where you think you are going, boy? You ain't going nowhere, boy. Come here, my revolving ravager, and you're cooked. You're cooked, boy, and easy. Yo, dude, you wanna see a magic trick? Bro? You wanna see a magic trick? Yeah, bro, I can become black. You wanna see how I do? I'll show you. Like that. 3, 2, 1, and I'm back. No way, guys. We have found Andrew Tatate. Oh my god, bro. Andrew Tatate wants to trade with me. But sadly, I have no fruits. I'm so sorry, Andrew Tatate. Very good news, guys. He is almost here. Guys, very slight problem. There's kind of a dragon outside. Now, either my bounty is cooked or my swords are cooked. Ooh, we got a competitor here, huh? All those years playing hide and seek with my friends are gonna come in use. Yeah, I was just fighting some random Yeti spammer and he wants to fight me again. I just gotta just type, not now. Is he here? And he's not here. Let's go at Coliseum. Okay, please be at Coliseum. Yeah, I don't think he's here. Oh, there he is! Oh my god. Come on, bro. Only Saishi. Give me Saishi. Saishi, bro. Saishi. Yo! We got Saishi. Yes! Finally, Saishi's in our inventory. Let's go. Hey! I think we're gonna grind Saishi first because I absolutely hated getting this sword. So we are gonna be killing Longma. Pause. Grinding mastery without sword stats is just almost impossible. So I'm gonna be purchasing a stat refund and get sword stats. Let's go. So we unlocked our first move. It's called Swords Dance. Let's see what it looks like. And Swords Dance. Ooh. Not bad. Bro, I mean, look at this damage. 4,398. That's not at all bad. So, guys, we are about to reach 300 mastery on the Saishi. This is our last wave of opponents. Final batch of enemies, and boom, we got 300 mastery, boys. This took us so long. True Air Slash. Oh. Next, we are gonna do Orochi. Yeah, let's do Orochi. Let's see. We are almost done and we have finally unlocked continuous slashing. Let's check this move out. Oh! Bro, that's like Sukuna's domain.
領域展開福間水師
I think Orochi might just be my favorite because I'm a Sukuna fan. Yoishinkai Fukuma Mizushi. Hey! So right now we are killing Ugly Pirate. We are almost about to get the final move on Orochi, which is Dragon Gust. I'm very excited to see that. And boom! Die! We just got Dragon Gust. Okay, Dragon Gust! Oh god, look at that. Oh. That's disappointing. Let me try again. Dragon Gust. The pose is so good. Okay, guys, we got one final sword left, and it's Shizu. I don't know why I just hate this sword. Okay, no one wants to see me grind, but I unlocked True Quiet Rush, guys. Okay, let's do this. True Quiet Rush. Oh, that's nice. Okay, guys. 299 mastery later. This is the final True Quiet Rush. Okay, we unlock Focus Shot. Okay, Focus Shot. That's like buddy swords. That's kind of like buddy swords, don't you guys think? Time to get 80k. Oh no, I have no money. Whatever shall I do? Yay! We got 2 million. You know, I definitely didn't hunt any sea beasts. Okay, guys, so I gotta head to green zone. So we get it on that tallest beanstalk. I think that's a reference from James and the Beanstalk. Yeah, I'ma just go up there. Whoa, this guy looks like he hasn't showered in days. Can't blame him, even I have. Hey, hello. Yeah, I have mastered it. Okay, let's do this. Yes! We got the TTK, guy. We finally got true triple katana in our inventory. Oh, we got 2 titles too. But guys, the grind is sadly not over yet. We still need the mastery and we still need to upgrade the sword. I swear to God, this is going to be so hard. So the grind begins again. So we finally unlocked Wolf Fang Rush and we are going to be testing it out on this NPC. Oh, wait, that's the pose Zoro struck, right? While fighting someone, I don't really remember. But cool pose. And Wolf Fang Rush. Oh, nice. 4,000 damage. Nice, nice. Okay, we are at Mastery 349, bro. We are so close. And final Wolf Fang Rush. Yes. 350 Mastery. We unlocked Dragon Hurricane. Now let's see how it... Dragon Hurricane! Whoa! Oh, bro, the VFX is actually insane. Now we are done with the mastery. Now we just need to upgrade it and then we are done. Okay, let's see what we need to upgrade this. Oh, so we need mystical droplets and dragon scales. So I get mystical droplets at the, like, I think water warriors, water fighters, sea warriors. I'm gonna grind water fighters because they're closer to each other. Okay, let's kill this dude. Also, if we want dragon scales, we have to grind dragon crew archers. Let me just see how many I have. I have 3 and 20 mystical droplets. I need to grind these right now. I got the 20 mystical droplets and the dragon scales. Let's go. Okay, blacksmiths. Let me upgrade my true triple katana. Oh, it gives 13% damage. Okay. And craft. Yes! 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 Finally, we have upgraded our true triple katana. And look, we even have that little star over there. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Maybe drop a like and subscribe for all the torture I've gone through. Also, you have a very good attention span. Honestly, I think TTK is harder to get than CDK because it took me 3 weeks to get CDK and it took me 5 weeks to get TTK, guys. 5 weeks. That's how much time it took me. Yeah, and that's it. Goodbye. Have a nice day.